The QDR. The QDR is, well, first of all, it's a Portuguese name for a move that comes from capoeira, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because it's Portuguese and I'm Australian and there's a mismatch. So moving right along, the QDR it can be a strength move, it can be a mobility move, and it can be a balancing move. So the way that we'll do it is primarily strength and balance, but later on there is a mobility version as well. So stay tuned for that one. Now the QDR looks like this. So you're going to start in a quadrilateral position, knees off the ground, and you're going to try and find your way through your hip to match your elbow, or to come down and contact and rest on your elbow. So it looks like this. It comes down and then pushes back up. So you can see my knees are twisting off to the side and I'm lowering down until my elbow touches my hip. And then I push back up again. I come back down to the other side and I push back up again. So the area of your hip is right here, somewhere between the greater trochanter and the iliac crest. Now the iliac crest is the top part of the hip and the greater trochanter is this bony part on the outside of your thigh/hip. So somewhere in the fleshy bit above that. Now you want to land the elbow in that position because otherwise it hurts. So to do it, like I said, starting in the quadrilateral position, coming down. Now, if you want to take it next level, then you're going to go and take the top leg behind and give yourself, probably want to keep both hands on the ground, and put more weight onto the elbow. So in this position, then I can almost float, maybe. Now, it takes a while to get to the point where you can float. And a lot of the movement to start off with is push strength, but what it's also doing, the more you get into that position, is the more rotator cuff starts to get involved. So still strength, but different parts of strength. So it's not just push like you would do for a push-up, it is push plus rotation. So brilliant exercise. Try it out. It might humble you, and that's okay. It comes with time. So just a little bit of practice. Well, a little bit this week and a little bit next week. You get it. Consistency makes the gains in this world. So give it a shot. Let me know how you go.